Hello. So today I'm at SGR Nairobi Terminus and I'm traveling to Ngong town via the train. So I'm going to take you through the experience from Nairobi to Ngong. I know there are some people who don't know we have a train from Nairobi to Ngong town. So today I'm going to take you through that experience and you're going to love it. And you can see the ambience is so nice and the entrance is there. So come, let's go. So this is the way to the train on our way to Ngong town, and you can see the view, so nice. The view is viewing. You can see the kids, they are so excited. And there is another woman there. Look here. Say hi. You woman, say hi. So this is our way to the train. Here we go. Can use lifts or better still down the stairs. Yeah, and there we go.
Like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive.
Welcome to Ngong station. We have arrived and our train has just left now. This is Ngong station. Look how nice it is. See how nice it is. And this is the exit part, and then we have the entrance part on that other side, and this is the outside. This is how it's looking. Very nice, very much refreshing. And then it's a chilly morning, but we have to do it. Welcome to Ngong station. You can see it's so beautiful. And now we headed to Ngong town. Okay.